Are speaking publicly. They say at first they didn't want to risk the integrity of the case, but now that it's over and with all this fanfare, obsession surrounding Wade Wilson, they want to make sure the victims, Christine Melton and Diane Ruiz, stay top of mind. 5 years after these two Cape Coral women were strangled to death, their murderer, their monster, is off to death row. The families of Christine Melton and Diane Ruiz now addressing the obsession and fanfare surrounding Wade Wilson.
Wade supporters have not been quiet, but we all know that the loudest ones are always the dumb ones anyways.
I'd let you know that this is not the end. The end is when the accused takes his last breath, and I will be there at the execution. And that's a promise. Thank you.
Prosecutors say this case is a win not only for the victims and their families, but women around the world too. She says other victims have come forward, including one specific mother who has stayed in their mind to this day.
When Sarah and I began this case, we received an email from a mother of a young lady in northern Florida. Her daughter had got an issue with Mr. Wilson. That kind of motivated us. One of the things that she told us was to go get him. That was one of the things that stood back in our mind when we tried this particular case. So we're hoping that, Ms. Melton is looking down and Ms. Ruiz was looking down and saying, good, you got him.
And what do the attorneys want to say to Wade now?
Bye.
Now, Wilson will be back in court, this time on September 16th. You may remember he is facing other charges. In fact, he tried to break out of jail here in Lee County at one point. So the goal is to resolve those cases as soon as possible and ship Wilson off to death row.
Samantha, Wilson's adopted parents wrote a letter that was read to the judge today. It seemed like we learned some new things about Wilson's past.
Right. So it talked about how up until the age of 11, 12, Wilson was relatively a normal kid, and then it said around that 11, 12, around that puberty time frame, he started getting paranoid, getting anxious. And that's when they really noticed a change in him. They said that they were pleading with the judge to save his life because they believed that their son had a chance at redemption. They said that, not only were Christine and Diane's family as victims in this case, but they felt they were in a sense too because they lost their son, brother, nephew. It was a very emotional, very intense moment in the courtroom, Peter.